Hello everyone. So today in this video we will see that how we can inactive the picklist values, okay, plus how we can retrieve and deploy the components using Workbench, okay. So here you can see that this is my package.xml file to retrieve that custom field which is a picklist field, okay. So now I will go to Workbench and then I will retrieve it. Then I will make some changes. Then I will deploy it again, okay, using Workbench. So let's see. So here you can see that delivery or installation status is a pick list. So let's see what are the values here. So we have four values, okay. So let me first retrieve it. So this is my package XML. Next, retrieve, download. So here you can see I have extracted that retrieved folder, okay, and let me open it. So here we have our four values in that pick list, okay, pick list field. So for example, I want to make inactive this pick list value, okay, slash is active and mark it false. Save it, okay. Now we need to deploy these changes. So let's see. So this is our workbench data folder. Okay. You just copy this unpackaged folder. Okay. And copy this one. Then you go to your main folder and send it to compressed. And here in this compressed file, you delete this workbench data folder, complete folder, delete it and paste your unpackaged one. Okay. So when you are going to deploy, you need to create a zip folder. Okay. A zip folder is your actual name, and inside that first folder you should have unpackage, and then in unpackage you have your changes. Okay. So let's try to deploy this. Okay. Go to deploy. Meanwhile, while deploying, you can check the deployment status. Okay. So I will choose that folder which we create to deploy our changes. I'm not checking or something, just directly deploying. So click next. Always check that this is your org or not. Okay. So this is a warning. Just click deploy. And result is success. Check the deployment status. We can see deploy succeed. Now let's see the values. So you can see currently it is active. And now you can see that the value that we marked as inactive is under the inactive value section. Okay. So this is how you can make the pick list values inactive using package.xml, plus how you can retrieve the components and how you can deploy components using Workbench. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much.